Hello everybody! I'm Pam and welcome back to my YouTube channel of quick 6-minute lessons for the PTE. Today you're going to learn the 10th question type of the 21 question types in the PTE. Multiple choice, multiple answer. But before we begin, do you know the scoring system for the PTE academic? PTE gives you an overall score between 0 and 90. 90 is the top score. But what score do you need? That depends. Every country, every university, every course has a different score requirement. But let me show you a very general guide to scores. See? 36 for technical college, 66 for university or a permanent visa. Generally. Now, achieving those scores is not easy, so luckily I'm here to help. Let's take a look at how to improve your score in the 10th PTE question type, multiple choice, multiple answer questions. There are about 2 or 3 of these questions in each test, and for each question you read a text of 100 to 300 words and answer one multiple choice question about it. There are 2 or more correct answers for each question. Now the catch with multiple choice, multiple answer questions is wrong answers lose points. So of course, don't guess if you're not confident. But if you read all of these questions, you won't have enough time. So today I'll show you how to choose only the correct answers to these questions without wasting time. You just need to remember 4 points. 1, 2 minutes. 2, question first. 3, scan for each choice. 4, no confidence? Don't answer. So point 1, finish each question in 2 minutes. Point 2, read the question first. This is an example question here. Of course, you have to understand the meaning of the question to find the answers. Point 3, scan for each choice. Now, you'll go to each choice one by one and follow a 3-step process. Step 1, find keywords from each choice. Step 2, find the keywords in the main text. Step 3, check the sentence around the keywords and check the choice sentence. Do they match or not? If they match, it's correct. So let's look at the first choice. Step 1, find the choice's keywords. Videos. Step 2, find the keywords in the text. Look, we can see the keyword videos here. Step 3, check the sentence around the keywords and check the choice sentence. Do they match? No. This sentence does not say there are not enough videos. Actually, it says YouTube has videos for everything, so clearly choice 1 is not correct. Now there are always 2 or more correct choice sentences. So until you find 2 or more correct choice sentences, keep doing point 3. Now point 4. Like I said, if you don't have confidence, don't answer. Now let's try the technique on a real PTE question from the PTE offline practice test. We'll work through it point by point. So point 1, 2 minutes, okay? Point 2, question first. So, which of the following are true statements about adaptations? Okay. Point 3, scan for each choice using the 3-step process. Choice 1, step 1. The key words are structural, behavioral, and physiological. Step 2, find the key words in the main text. So look, adaptation can be structural or behavioral. Now step 3, see if the sentence around the keywords matches the choice sentence. Well, it doesn't, because it doesn't say physiological. So repeat the second step and look for physiological. Here it is. Now look at both the sentences around the keywords and the choice sentence. Now they match. So that's one correct choice. Now, choice 2, same process. Step 1, keywords are physical appearances of special body parts. Step 2, keywords in the main text. Look, here's special body parts. So let's try this. Step 3, does the sentence around the keywords match the choice sentence? No. Choice 2 says they mostly occur. But who or what is they? Well, it comes from the question. So they means adaptations. All adaptations. But the sentence from around the keywords is only about structural adaptations. One kind of adaptation. So these sentences don't match. Choice 2 is not correct. Now, choice 3, step 1. The keyword is genes. So look for genes and similar words like genetic. Step 2, keywords in the main text. Here, genetic. This is our sentence. So step 3, does the sentence around the keywords match the choice sentence? No. Why? Well, look here, it says the genetic variant pre-existed and was subsequently selected. Ugh. Well, in simple English, this means the genes were already there and later they were selected. So this means that adaptations are not new genes. They're selected from existing genes, not created as new genes. So this choice must be wrong too. Choice 4, we can skip step 1 and 2 because we already found the keyword genes when we were looking for choice 3. So let's use the same sentence as we did for choice 3 and go straight to step 3. Does the sentence around the keywords match the choice sentence? Yes. In simple English, both the sentence around the keywords and the choice sentence mean adaptations are genes that give us good things for a certain environment. They match. So choice 4 is correct. Now choice 5 starts, they are created by the environment. And what? Remember when we looked at choice 3? At that time we found out that adaptations are not created by the environment. So we don't even need to do our 3-step process. We already know this choice is wrong. So there are 2 correct choices, number 1 and number 4. Done. See? You can find the correct answers in time if you just remember these 4 points. 1, 2 minutes. 2, question first. 3, scan for each choice. And 4, no confidence? Don't answer. Now, scanning for keywords is a great technique to find information fast. It's good for PTE, but it's also really good for work. It's great for university. Imagine you want to find just one important fact. Will you read 10 books to find it? No. If you use scanning skills, you can save time instead of reading 10 books. So make sure you practice this technique. Maybe challenge yourself to Google a news topic. Click on a long, difficult article, and then just scan for keywords to find the information you want. It's simple, but it's a great practice. And I also provide practice in my online programs. If you want to study with me, please check my programs. Now, I understand it's hard to practice for multiple choice, multiple answer questions on your own. It's stressful to read these long, difficult sentences. I don't think you can keep up motivation to do the practice. So, if you join my program, I can push you. Please think about it. Anyway, thank you again for watching this lesson and joining me on this journey through the 21 PTE question types. I hope you'll join me for our next lesson, 11 Reorder Paragraphs. Please click to subscribe so you can be sure to see it. See you then. Take care.